Hello to all my friends out there. And this is the rice pudding that I made last night with the coconut milk. And the recipe calls for 3 cups milk. And so coconut milk is really thick, so I used 2 cups coconut milk and 1 cup water. But what I forgot to mention is this is really good because you could use powdered milk to make this, or evaporated milk to make this in the stockpile. And I wanted to show you guys the recipe one more time. Okay, this is the rice pudding recipe, and so what I wasn't sure if I had it clear. 3 cups milk, 1/2 cup regular rice, 1/3 cup raisins, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Since the rice was already sweet with the coconut milk, I added to this 2 tablespoons sugar. But if it was regular milk, I might add 1/4 teaspoon sugar. I add my sugar to the rice, and I don't dot my rice with butter and put the sugar on top, but you can follow the recipe exactly. This is an old-fashioned recipe, back in the day, maybe they didn't have as much sugar and things. And this wasn't really clear, but this is very interesting. Another rice dish popular with the Spaniards was rice pudding, a favorite dessert, spiced with cinnamon, enriched with cream, or sweetened with raisins, or all 3. For the stockpile desserts, this would be really good because it's all items in your stockpile. Milk, raisins, sugar, salt, rice for sure. And just to let you know, this is really good, really good cold. And if you want a little more milky type pudding, just put a little milk, more milk, or a little less rice. This can't come out bad, so God bless you all.